Look at the size of that thing.
Deep inside a hidden cave, buried in the heart of the jungle for over 50 years, lies the largest passenger jet ever built.
The Airbus A380, a giant of the skies.
The fuselage is heavily damaged here.
Yeah, look at the scoring on the metal.
I'm still looking for the recorder near the cockpit.
All clear up ahead.
Once the pride of airlines worldwide, carrying hundreds of passengers in luxury, now forgotten, its pristine white paint faded, engines silent, a relic lost to time.
Watch as we pull this sleeping giant from the depths, strip away the rust, rebuild every inch, and this is the unbelievable revival of the Airbus A380. From hidden and darkness to soar in light.
All right, hold the left side.
Steady, steady. Moving forward 5 meters.
Watch the clearance overhead.
Hold position. Adjusting alignment on stand 3.
Confirmed. Lowering sequence initiated. Stand clear.
Move the spray pattern higher on the starboard side. Hit the seams hard. Let's keep the pressure steady.
Keep the pressure steady on the starboard side. Copy that. Watching the runoff.
Base, this is Tail Crew 1. Water pressure is steady at 2,000 psi. Confirming surface integrity.
Pressure steady on sector 4.
Copy that. Moving to sector 4 now.
The corrosion on panel 4 is worse than expected. We need to initiate the full replacement procedure immediately. Check it.
Confirm pitting on blade 7. Rotation complete. Notating on the checklist now.
Check the depth at the intersection point. Reading 0.04 above tolerance.
The corrosion on the compressor blades is extensive.
Yeah, we're looking at a full replacement, not just a patch.
Take the weight, easy on the tension. Clear the pylon now, bring it left slowly.
Hold steady on the west cable.
Confirmed. We are clear for the extraction sequence.
Easy now. Synchronize the lift. Bring it up 50 feet. Check the starboard coupling clearance. Holding steady. Move right.
have green on the starboard assembly.
Copy that. Proceeding with sealant application.
That one looks good. Move to the next.
Roger that.
Hold steady now, applying torque.
Reading green, secure.
Bring it down slow. We're almost there.
Clear on the radio, they are holding steady. Looks aligned, confirm, thumbs up.
Down slow, watch your spacing. Left side clear, keep coming down. Set, thumbs up.
Decal FGRXX application complete. Squeegee pressure confirmed. Final inspection initiated.
Check alignment sequence on the FBLU decal.
Confirmed. Pressure check reading nominal.
The starboard actuator is reading green.
Confirmed. Hydraulics are online.
All systems nominal. Ready for power up.
The cabin is secured for departure. Roger that. See you on the flight deck.
Final torque reading on main housing connector secured.
Confirmed and logged. Proceed to the next sequence.
Check torque on the aft bolts.
Aft bolts checked. Green indicator visible.
Harness secure on J5 connector.
Confirmed. Torque set to 25 Newton meters.
Hold the lift right there.
Copy that, coming left 3 inches.
Verified. Bring it down slowly.
Welcome aboard. Enjoy the suite.
Cabin crew, doors to automatic. Cross-check complete.
Flap set. Green light.
Confirmed. Before taxi checklist complete.
Tightening complete. Check B panel.
B panel green.
Starting pump.
Engine 2 start. Stabilized. Generators online.
Cabin crew, prepare for taxi.
Flaps are fully deployed and locked. Pressure is stable.
Flight controls checked.
Checked, flap set to 10, auto throttle armed.
Checklist complete.
Flight instruments checked. Localizer captured.
Roger that. Monitoring glide slope. Overhead panel set as required.
Set. Hydraulic pumps on auto. Engine start selectors normal.
Thrust levers checked.
Checked.
We are slightly off course. Correction initiated.
Roger that. Checking weather overlay now.
Hydraulics 1 auto. Ignition selector flight start.
glass of champagne this evening.
We hope you are enjoying the flight.
Please let us know if you require anything else.
The audio is characterized by the persistent low rumble of jet engines and
Galley to cockpit, we are ready for the service sequence.
Copy that, cabin crew. Thank you.
Your Osietra caviar service, accompanied by blinis and crème fraîche.
And perhaps some krug to start.
Galley to flight deck, cabin secured and ready for departure.
We need 3 more of the chicken, please. Right away.
Are the salads ready for the cart?
How's the cabin looking?
All secure, Captain. We're just finishing up the service.
Flaps set to 20. Auto brake max. Checklist complete.
Confirmed. Cleared for taxi.
Set flaps 20 after start checklist. Checklist complete. Ground request taxi clearance to runway 26.